Guys, if you see here, right, the completely car is off, the person is coming here, automatically the recording is getting started. So this is the product from RSCARPREMIUM Eagle Eye Dashcam. Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So you guys all know that RSCARPREMIUM is famous for its dashcam. So there were a lot of questions which was coming from the customers. We need a dashcam with motion sensor. So as part of RSCARPREMIUM, we are introducing a new product called Eagle Eye. Let me walk through you what all accessories we get in the product and what is the future of the product and how it works. So now you guys be thinking, what is the difference between other dashcam and the Eagle Eye dashcam? So Eagle Eye Dashcam comes with a motion sensor. So basically what is motion sensor? So when a vehicle is completely off, anybody who comes between 7 to 10 meters in front of your car, automatically it starts recording. Let me unbox the Eagle Eye Dashcam and see what all accessories comes with it. So externally you will be getting a motion sensor over here. Then you get an hard wiring kit and other from the box when you open, right? So you get the dashcam over here. This is basically a fish eye camera which comes with a 170-degree lenses and the both front and rear will be 4K recording. So other accessories what we get is, if you don't wanted to get a wiring kit, hard wiring kit, you can go with a lighter. So you get both the options over here and you get a back camera which is also a 4K, and this will be the sensors which will be connected to the device itself, and you also get an inbuilt GPS. So wherever the vehicle is going, we can track it. Eagle Eye Dashcam comes up with both front and rear 4K, and it comes with a G sensor. If there is any impact to your car, automatically it will start recording. Other best feature is, as I told us, in a parking mode, it has a motion sensor. Anybody who comes front or rear, automatically it will start recording even though your car is off. Along with that, the best part is you have the GPS with an inbuilt GPS. So wherever you are going, it will track your location. Once you download the video, it will show you with the path. It will also record your voice. It will act as a black box. Camera comes with a fisheye lens, so it will cover 170 degrees. The sensors what we have used is Sony starvis sensor. The quality of the sensor and the cameras will be very high even during the night. And the cameras which we have used for back camera is a WDR camera. So even though the lights are more, it will reduce the light and it will give you the clear number plates vision. So a lot of people have asked me why motion sensor, because already we have an hard wiring kit and it records when it is needed. So here the solution with the motion sensor is, a person who is coming near between 3 to 7 meters, it will automatically starts recording. If he is doing any scratches or any other kind of activities, it will be recorded like 3 seconds before whatever activities he is going to do. So whenever you are going to take a dashcam, just check you have a motion sensor or which has an inbuilt battery through the dashcam, which will keep recording when there is an impact before and after as well. If you guys wanted to buy this product, please visit RSCARPREMIUM.